Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is classification of crude drug. Before going to classification of crude drug, what actually crude drug means? Crude drugs are plant, animal or their parts which after collection are subjected only to drying or making them into transverse and longitudinal slices, pieces or peeling them in some cases. They exist in natural form. So what are crude drugs? These are obtained from plant, animal source or mineral source, and the after their collection, when the crude drug from for example, suppose crude drug from plants they are collected, so after collection then they are clean, and after cleaning then they are dried. And if the crude drug is for example is a bark, or if the crude drug is a root, so you cannot place a complete whole long root or long bark as such. So you have to cut it into different slices or pieces. So transverse or longitudinal slices or pieces are made from them, and then they are after drying then they are stored in such raw form. That drug is known as crude drug. The crude drug that may be derived from plant origin, animal, mineral or microorganism, all these are the sources of crude drug. Now classification of crude drug, because when we consider crude drug from plant, animal origin, so large number of varieties of lakhs of plants are available in the universe, and it is very difficult to study each and every plant. For that reason, or to study it properly or systematically, it needs a certain system of classification, so that we can study that crude drug properly, systematically. Also the drugs which are having similar characteristics, which are coming under similar families, they are having specific similar type of constituents, and they are giving particular type of therapeutic effect. So according to that, if the one drug from that particular class we will study, so all those drugs related with that class or which comes under that class, they are or their characteristics are also studied by studying only a single drug. So this was also one of the benefit of classification, as well as if we classify the drug, then we will study it systematically properly, so that we can utilize the most possible outcome or the uses of that drug for treatment of particular disease. For that reason, the classification system is very necessary. For example, alphabetical classification, morphological classification, taxonomical classification, pharmacological classification, chemical classification, chemotaxonomical classification. These are the different types of or ways of classification of crude drug, and from that these classification we are going to study one by one. In that, first one is alphabetical classification. The crude drugs are arranged according to the alphabetical order. So here it is a simple method of classification that you are going such type of alphabetical method is followed by your books. So this method is a very simple method, in that just the alphabetical order is followed of their Latin and English name. The name of drug in Latin as well as in their English name, the alphabetical order of their name is just follow, and according to that the drugs are classified. Some pharmacopoeias and reference book which classify crude drug according to the system. So many pharmacopoeias and many reference books, these follow the alphabetical classification of crude drug, and in that just the crude drugs are classified according to the alphabetical order of their name. and these are the different official books which follow the alphabetical classification of crude drug. First one is Indian Pharmacopoeia, 1955, Latin; Indian Pharmacopoeia, IP, 1966, English; British Pharmacopoeia, BP, English; British Pharmaceutical Codex, BPC; United States of Pharmacopoeia, USP; European Pharmacopoeia, Latin. So all these are the different official books and they will follow the alphabetical method of classification of crude drug. Now what are the advantages of this method? It is very simple method. In this system, location, tracing and addition of crude drug is very easy. So it is very simple method. You can easily locate or you can easily trace the drug and its detail in any official book just by, if for example, if the drug is acacia. So the first letter is A, that is alphabetical order, it will come in A, and in that A you will easily locate the acacia and you can easily find out all the details of that particular drug. No technical person is required for handling this system. This system of classification is very easy. No technical person, technical knowledge is not required. Just by seeing the name and it is placed in the alphabetical order. Disadvantages: scientific nature of drug cannot be identified by this method, whether they are organized or unorganized drug. So what is the nature of drug that we cannot identify from this method? Only we will know the name of the drug, and from that name you can find out the details. But whether that drug is organized form of drug or whether it is an unorganized drug, that we cannot identify from this method. The system does not help in distinguishing the drugs of plant, animal, mineral sources. So what is the original source of that drug, that is also not clear, whether it is from plant source, animal source or mineral source. Plant source, so which part of plant is used as drug. All these details of their original source as well as nature, whether it is organized or unorganized, all these information we are not getting by this alphabetical method of classification. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.